label in the system and turn it into reverse print. So you're printing black with the letters out of it. Select the label you want to change and go into F3 to the editor. One rule you must remember is the smallest font you can use and make this work is 4x3 mm. So if you've got small fonts making fields like these date and time fields down here, you need to space them out. Going into position and move them across. Escape and do the same with the next one. Give them a little bit more space and escape. Now we can go to the first field and change it, in this case from 3x2 to 4x3. You can see there that it's come up with 3 characters long, so we need to reposition it over here. Come back to 4x3, double enter, and it will resize. Next field, 3x2, change to 4x3, enter, escape. Next field, 3x2, enter, select the font, escape. So that's done. Now, all that remains is to go to the top left hand corner of the label, press 1 on the keyboard above the Q, and that will move the cross 1 pixel at a time. Make sure it's just inside the label and press enter. It makes a new field. Go down to font name, enter, and select L, and it'll take you to the L's, and you go to line. Enter, and it will put a line right across the label. You'll note that it says 120 across. This is for a 20x20 label. Whatever it is across on this one, because it's 20x20, it'll be the same down. And it'll fill the label with black space. It's coming up with a warning because it's covering up other fields. Just escape to continue. And now you've got a black label with white out. Escape again and again, and it'll ask you to save. You say yes, yes, and give it a new name. I'm just going to change this to an S so that it sees something different. That's it, finished.
This concludes our tutorial of how to make a white label black, presented by Gary Mears.